welcome back to our channel, Mrs. Hill Party of 6. I am a mom of 4. I am a special education teacher, and on this channel, I post every Monday, sometimes Wednesday, and sometimes Friday. You love that consistency? We do read alouds, we do easy recipes that you can make with your kids, and fun activities for kids as well. So, today we are doing the Shamrock Shake dupe from McDonald's. And this one is carb friendly. So you don't have to make it low carb if you don't want to. You're just gonna sub for sub the ingredients with whole milk regular ice cream. So we're using Carb Smart ice cream. There's only 4 net carbs. We're using heavy whipping cream instead of milk. We are using whipped cream for the topping, green food coloring, and mint extract. All right, es todo. So we're gonna get started.
I have a question.
Okay.
What does extract mean?
Extract? They extracted it from the mint leaf.
They extracted it from the mint leaf.
All right, so we're gonna add everything into our blender. We're gonna do 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. We're doing low carb. Again, you don't have to do low carb. It's whatever you want. Whatever your little heart and waistline desires. I gave up carbs for Lent, so I'm making the biggest mess in the whole world. All right, so about 2 cups of ice cream. You could do 2.5, and then we're gonna do about 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Oh yeah, delicioso. And then you're gonna do about 9 or so, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops of food coloring, and then about a 1/4 teaspoon of the mint extract. I guess it just depends on how minty you want it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cheese and crackers, knees and toes. Hey, guess what? Make sure you guys take the lid, the little paper off of the mint extract. You're welcome. Oh, it smells so good. A little extra.
I can't smell anything.
All right, and we're gonna blend it up. Let's do it. Got a little bit left in there. And now we're gonna add our whipped cream and a little bit of gold. And then you can get these Airhead Rainbow.
And stick them in there.
Trying to do this with one hand and one hand on the camera. Stick them in there like a rainbow.
Into the pot of gold.
And then,
Oh.
dun, da, da, da. Thank you, thank you. Hold your applause. Is it good?
If you ever make this milkshake, well, probably. I don't even know the word for it.
You're speechless. Good? All right, everybody, I hope you loved this recipe. I hope you try it. Leave a comment in the description box below if you have already tried it, if you plan on trying it. And if you do, tag us on Instagram. Tag us on Instagram at Mrs. Hill Party of 6 with your awesome Shamrock shakes. You can get the gold glitter. We got it at Target. And then you can get these rainbow airheads at Target too. All right? We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Right.
All right. Bye, everybody.